Hey, I'm here at the Red Reef Trailhead in the Red Cliffs National Conservation Area. And I'm going to be doing the Red Cliffs Canyon Loop starting here at the Red Reef Trailhead and ending on the Prospector Trail. It's going to be about 11 miles round trip. But it should be a pretty cool loop. There's supposed to be some really fun features going through the canyon, so I'm pretty excited. All right, see you guys. Alright, that was the first obstacle of the day. Going up those carved-in steps up around that pool of water. We'll have a couple more as we get further on the trail. Alright, up the stick we go, I guess. Alright, looks like we got another obstacle here. We gotta get up past through this. Doesn't look too bad though. A little bit skinny. Should be able to get right up through there easy. Done. All right, that's what I just climbed up, and on this way now. Looks like it's opening up a bit up here, which means I might have some sun exposure here soon, but I think it's early enough still that I'm gonna be good. All right, through the pokey bushes and onward we go. So at some point here, there's supposed to be a small waterfall, which I was kind of looking forward to. Although I'm starting to think that maybe it's all dried up right now and I may have already passed it. So that's a little unfortunate since I was prepared to go for a swim today. But either way, this is a really cool hike, so definitely enjoying it. Look at this, it's so weird. You can see like the lines in the sand from where these plants drug. I don't know what, if the wind spun them around like that or something else. It's crazy. Alright, I'm back in the wash again and just walking through a bunch of sand. So it looks like the trail's kind of opened up a bit here. I'm straight in the sun, so I've got some long sleeves and a hood on to help hold off the sunburn. But getting closer to the turn point where I'll be headed back on the Prospector Trail. So that should be cool. A little bit faster going than the sand I've been walking through. right, I just hooked back up with the Prospector trail. So I've just got a few miles to go this way. Then we'll be back at the car. Those last couple of miles definitely had a little bit more sand than I was expecting, but nothing too crazy. Check out these sweet views from here. All these cool red cliffs. This section of the trail is like a mountain biking trail, so I'm just gonna do a little jog here to get through this flat section a little faster. I'm just about back to the car, and that was an awesome hike. This last part was a little hot, straight in the sun, but not too bad if you start early enough. If you like that video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I've got tons more hiking videos on the channel, so check those out. Thanks for watching.